Loss simulation reporting. Understood. You are instructing me to simulate the application of the Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework, QTIDF, components to analyze the provided text, which is a discussion thread, and determine a suitable product category for advertising to this audience. The QTIDF's strength lies in its ability to understand complex, multi-layered text and identify the core topics, sentiments, and underlying interests of the contributors. For this advertising task, I will apply the principles of key QTIDF modules: adaptive context management, identify distinct conversational threads and the primary focus of the overall discussion, multi-word expression recognition and token salience, extract key entities, places, concepts, services, and determine their importance within the different contexts. Sentiment analysis. Analyze the sentiment expressed towards these key entities and concepts. Profiling. Simulated based on the identified topics, entities, and sentiment. Infer the characteristics and interests of the audience. Filtering for suitability. Identify contexts that are unsuitable for standard advertising due to sensitive or inappropriate content. Simulated QTIDF analysis for advertising suitability, applying the simulated QTIDF process to the provided text. Context segmentation. The overwhelming majority of the text revolves around a single, dominant context, discussing and recommending travel destinations. There are sub-discussions within this, comparing places based on various factors. There is also one explicit, unrelated advertisement for an AI platform. Entity salience and sentiment. High salience entities/topics. Numerous specific countries and regions are mentioned frequently: Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Philippines, Eritrea, Somalia, Mount Everest, Eastern Europe, ex-Yugoslavia, Slovenia, Croatia, Sri Lanka, Guatemala, Poland, Georgia, El Salvador, Taiwan, Uzbekistan, Central Asia. Key concepts and NWEs related to travel attributes and experiences are also highly salient: wildlife, habitats, beaches, diving, Latino culture, Anglo influence, cost, COL, cost of living, friendly people, sketchy areas, Airbnb, reefs, howler monkeys, nature, old town, infrastructure, airports, train stations, hotel rooms, marketing, transport, locals, accommodation, public transportation, private vehicles, isolation, commercialization, development, niche tourism, mass tourism, horrible. Dictatorship, extreme tourism, war zones, political prison, natural beauty, historic monuments, surf, sun, beach, meditation, cuisine, value for money, kind people, respectful tourists, touristy areas, street foods, genuine hospitality, local tuk-tuk driver, shells and fossils, beautiful towns, interesting cultures, fantastic ruins, fraction of the price, crime, major airport hub, hotspot, political and security stability. Sentiment. General sentiment towards the topic of travel is highly positive and engaged. Sentiment towards specific destinations is mixed, reflecting personal experiences and comparisons. Some places receive positive mentions: Nicaragua, Corn Islands for diving, Panama Old Town, Sri Lanka generally positive despite issues, Guatemala highly positive for cost/culture/ruins, Slovenia strongly positive for beauty, Georgia strongly positive for Tbilisi/food/value, Uzbekistan positive for opening up/attractions/cost, Central Asia positive for being untouched. Others receive negative or cautionary sentiment: Panama for costs/unfriendly people/sketchy areas, Philippines for infrastructure/poverty/crime/corruption, Eritrea/Somalia for political/safety issues, Slovenia in summer for being overcrowded. Sentiment towards factors like infrastructure, safety, and corruption is often negative, highlighting challenges. The concept of extreme tourism receives critical and cautious sentiment. The explicit AI ad is promotional and positive towards its product. Audience profiling. Simulated this audience is clearly composed of active or aspiring travelers. Their interests include exploring diverse, often less mainstream, international destinations, prioritizing factors like cost, infrastructure, safety, natural beauty, cultural experiences, and local interaction. Specific activities like diving, exploring historical sites, enjoying nature, and experiencing local life, food, transport. They are discerning travelers who compare options and are aware of potential challenges in developing tourist areas. They are likely researching future trips or sharing past experiences. Filtering for suitability. The discussions explicitly mentioning dictatorships, war zones, political prisons, and graphic crime scenarios are highly sensitive and unsuitable for general advertising. While they are part of the overall conversation, targeting based on engagement with those specific posts would be inappropriate. The primary, suitable context is the extensive discussion about travel destinations, practicalities, and experiences. Product recommendation based on QTIDF principles. Based on the QTIDF simulation, the dominant and suitable context points overwhelmingly to interests related to travel and tourism. The audience is engaged in discovering, comparing, and discussing destinations based on practical factors and desired experiences. Therefore, the most suitable product categories to advertise are those that directly cater to people who are researching, planning, booking, or currently undertaking travel, especially to diverse or non-traditional destinations. Highly suitable product categories: travel booking platforms/aggregators, websites or apps that allow users to search for and book flights, accommodations, especially diverse options like hotels, guest houses, unique stays, using terms like Airbnb or package deals, particularly those featuring destinations discussed or comparable up and coming places. Travel gear and equipment. Products designed for travelers, such as backpacks, luggage, adventure gear, e.g., for diving, cameras, travel safety items, comfortable travel clothing, or accessories that address infrastructure challenges, e.g., portable power banks. Travel insurance, essential for travelers, particularly when exploring destinations where perceived risks, safety, health, infrastructure issues are discussed. Travel-related services and apps. This includes currency exchange services, international SIM cards or eSIM providers, language learning apps, navigation apps, local transport apps, like the mentioned PickMe, or services providing guided tours or unique local experiences. Travel guides and resources. Digital or physical guidebooks, travel blogs, forums, or subscription services that provide in-depth information on specific destinations or types of travel, like niche tourism. Financial products for travelers, credit cards with travel rewards, services for managing money abroad, or platforms related to cryptocurrency, given the mention of Bitcoin Bros in one context, though this is a less central theme. Rationale: advertising products and services that facilitate travel, enhance the travel experience, or address common traveler concerns, cost, safety, navigation, accommodation, directly aligns with the core topic and expressed interests of this audience. QTIDF's analysis highlights that the audience is actively thinking about where to go and how to make the trip happen effectively and enjoyably, making these categories highly relevant for engagement. By identifying the dominant context and the salient, sentiment-laden NWEs and tokens within it, QTIDF principles allow for targeted advertising recommendations that resonate with the audience's demonstrated interests, avoiding unsuitable content areas.